big late-night development in Swati Maliwal's assault case, and the latest I have in that is how Maliwal's medical checkup continued for about 4 hours. Even though this came about 4 to 5 days late, but in this big late-night development, first Swati Maliwal has decided to break her silence. She gave out an elaborate statement to the Delhi police and explained in detail how she alleges that she was punched, she was slapped, and she was manhandled. The target, according to her, is the personal assistant of the Delhi Chief Minister, Vibhav Kumar. But not just that, look at the visuals on your screen. Swati Maliwal had reached the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, the top AIIMS hospital in Delhi, for about 4 hours. And it was at 11 p.m. when Delhi police reached AIIMS with Swati Maliwal, the former DCW chief and incumbent Rajya Sabha member of parliament. So there was a medical done, which is basically to try and understand what unfolded and if there are any bodily harm on that as well. And this is, remember, that by late evening we are told that she finally left. Let me immediately bring in Shreya Chatterjee for the latest on that. Shreya, you've been tracking this case from day one. Finally, she broke her silence, got her medical checkup done as well. Take us through the details. What happened close to midnight?
We really have seen that yesterday Swati Maliwal was finally taken in for a medical in the AIIMS, and subsequently this happened after the FIR was registered by the Delhi police against Vibhav Kumar. Yesterday in the afternoon, there was a statement that the Delhi police finally recorded of Swati Maliwal in the incident. This happened almost 3 days after the incident took place on the 30th of May. Finally, today we will be seeing Delhi police going into action mode. Delhi police in all likelihood will be coming to the crime scene, which is the CM house, trying to piece together the timeline of the incident and the evidence required. That includes electronic devices. Subsequently, Vibhav Kumar will first be sent in a notice to appear before the Delhi police. If not, we might just see stringent action that's also taken in by the Delhi police. So today will be an action-packed day from the side of the Delhi police, as medical has already been conducted, and further investigation will begin from Delhi police.
Shreya Chatterjee, thank you very much for this, for the latest on what unfolded in this case. It's been a full-on political showdown. It is the election season and the BJP has jumped in on what unfolded within the Aam Aadmi Party. The BJP netas have hit out at Arvind Kejriwal directly over Swati Maliwal's assault. After she has finally revealed and given out a statement to the police that she was slapped, she was punched by Kejriwal's close aide Vibhav Kumar, Bharatiya Janata Party has trained guns at the Delhi Chief Minister directly. Here's what the BJP netas have to say on this.
It's utterly shameful that a member of parliament, a woman who headed the Delhi Women's Commission, was treated like this, and she herself has gone to complain to the police station. But I fear that now she is also being really threatened that she should not come forward to do any more on this. And in utter disgust, I am shocked that the Chief Minister has not even spoken about it.
स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने दिल्ली पुलिस को कंप्लेन दिया है, स्टेटमेंट भी दिया है। उन्होंने साथ में ये भी बोला है कि मेरा साथ जो हुआ है वो बहुत ही बुरा हुआ है। अभी प्रश्न यही है, अगर बहुत बुरा हुआ है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी चुप क्यों रहे? उनका सामने जब बुरा हुआ था, अरविंद केजरीवाल कहाँ था? वही रूम में था कि नहीं था? अगर इतना बुरा हुआ है, जो स्वाति मालीवाल जी का ही भाषा है कि मेरा साथ जो हुआ है बहुत बुरा हुआ है, तब अभी भी वो व्यक्ति को लेके केजरीवाल जी क्यों घूम रहा है? केजरीवाल जी उनका ऊपर एक्शन क्यों नहीं लेता है? मतलब हमारे जो एलिगेशन था वो केजरीवाल अभी ये केजरीवाल नहीं है। केजरीवाल अभी एक क्रिमिनल बन चुका है। ये आज का स्वाति मालीवाल का ट्वीट से इसको दोबारा पुष्टि मिलती है। ठीक है।
Swati Maliwal's assault case has fully exploded, and how? Remember, this was hours after Delhi police visited Maliwal's residence, and because there were PCR emergency calls made, she eventually did file a written complaint and very clearly mentioned Arvind Kejriwal's close aide Bibhav Kumar, who's the personal assistant. Maliwal was later then taken to AIIMS as well for a medical examination. This is a part of the protocol. In her complaint, she is alleged, and these are horrific details, disturbing details coming in, and we are quoting excerpts from that statement according to our sources, that Bibhav Kumar slapped her, kicked her in the stomach, claiming that she has been stating from day one that she was abused in the living room, which is one of the main important rooms there in Delhi Chief Minister's House and Civil Lines, and that it was without provocation. Swati Maliwal has stated that she was released only after she was repeatedly pleading. She literally had to beg for her life to be saved, is what she's claiming. Now, following this complaint, Maliwal also posted for the first time since Monday a statement on social media site X. She's called the incident as terrible. She's acknowledged that the assault did happen, but she's urged the Bharatiya Janata Party not to politicize the incident, saying just because it's the election season. As per the FIR, the Delhi police have charged Bibhav with assault with intent to outrage a woman's modesty, criminal intimidation, insulting the modesty of a woman, and voluntarily causing hurt. Remember, all of this unfolded not anywhere else but the residence of Delhi Chief Minister.
शीश महल के सुल्तान साहब ना तो करोड़ों के अपने लिए बंगले बनाते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से उन्होंने अपनी ही साथी और एक महिला के साथ मार पिटाई कराई है, मुझे लगता नहीं है कि इससे ज़्यादा कोई भी औचित्य है उनका वहाँ पे बने रहने का। और उसके साथ साथ उनको माफ़ी भी मांगनी चाहिए, इस्तीफ़ा देना चाहिए, और इस बात में क्रिमिनल एक्शन जल्द से जल्द होना चाहिए। कोई ये ना समझे कि ये विभव ने किया है, ये अरविंद केजरीवाल का किया कराया है। उनके आदेश पर, उनके कहने पर विभव ने ये हाथापाई, ये बदसलूकी और बदतमीजी की है।
मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल, दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री, आपसे सिर्फ एक सवाल करना चाहता हूं। जब स्वाति मालीवाल के साथ इस तरह की घटना आपके आवास में हुई, आप उस समय घर में मौजूद थे। आखिर क्यों आपने एक महिला पर अत्याचार होने दिया? क्यों आपने रोकने की कोशिश नहीं की? क्यों आज 4 दिन तक आप चुप्पी रख के बैठे हैं? मैं अब भी आपसे कहता हूं कि अगर थोड़ी सी भी गैरत है तो तुरंत विभव को पुलिस के हवाले करें।